I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking the core idea. What single benefit or problem will viewers remember? Once decided, frame vertically and record a tight first shot that shows the product clearly. Use a short opener line, one punchy sentence, so viewers instantly know why to watch. Make sure audio is close and clean. Use built-in mic with foam or a cheap lav. While you shoot, keep clips short, 3-6 seconds each, so editing stays fast and focused. Now you expand the story with quick supporting shots that prove your claim. Record close-ups of textures, buttons, or results, then a medium shot showing scale or usage. These become your cutaways. Once done, add a concise voiceover that explains why this detail matters. Keep it causal but specific. Make sure lighting matches between shots so cuts feel seamless. If not, slightly warm or cool in editing to unify the look. Keep takes energy. Finish by assembling clips with tight pacing. Hook, proof, verdict, and a direct call to action. Once clips are in, add captions synced to speech and one bold text line for the main benefit. Make sure music supports but never overwhelms. Lower it to about -18 dB. Export in high bitrate for clarity and upload with a clear title and 3 relevant tags. If audio glitches appear after export, replace the track with your recorded voiceover and resync captions to maintain quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.